See how to subtract two binary numbers using ones complement method. Now in today's class we'll see how to subtract binary numbers using two's complement method. So in the previous class we have seen using ones complement method, and now we'll see how to subtract two binary numbers using two's complement method. Before going to the actual subtraction, what we'll do, we will see the steps related to how to subtract these binary numbers using two's complement method. So coming to step 1, whenever the numbers are given, okay, so what you need to do, check whether the given numbers are in binary form or not. Binary form or not. If not, convert to binary form. So this step is common for both one's complement method and as well as the two's complement method. So step 2, identify minuend and subtrahend. This step is common between the one's complement method and the two's complement method. So along with identifying the minuend and the subtrahend, here what you need to do, you need to check whether the number of bits in the minuend and the subtrahend are same or not. If they are not same, then you need to append an additional zeros. So coming to step 3, what you need to do here is take two's complement of subtrahend. Two's complement of subtrahend. So how to find two's complement? So two's complement of any number will be equal to one's complement plus 1. Okay, so first take one's complement, and after taking the one's complement, if you add 1 to that, you get the two's complement of any number. Okay, next step 4, add minuend and two's complement of subtrahend. You need to add both in this fourth step. Coming to the fifth step, if there is a carry, so as you know, carry in the sense you will have one as a misdirect. Okay, if there is a carry, then discard the carry of step 4 and the result is the rest of the bits. And this carry 1 indicates the result is also positive. Okay, so this is step 5. Coming to step 6. Here, if there is a carry, what has to be done? The carry, this one indicates, the carry indicates the result is positive, and what you need to do, you need to discard the carry, and the result is the rest of the bits, whatever you get in rest of the bits in step 4. Whatever rest of the bits you are getting in step 4, that is what your result. If there is no carry, it indicates result is negative. Okay, so it will indicate that the result is negative, and take 2's complement of result that is obtained in step 4. So this is how you need to find the subtraction between two numbers using 2's complement method. So now we'll see, take one small example. Subtract 6 base 10 from 14 base 10. Okay, so you need to subtract 6 base 10 from 14 base 10. Now what I need to do, I need to write it in a minus b form. Okay, so how will you write a minus b form? What we are doing here, we are subtracting 6 from 14. So you will be writing it as 14 base 10 minus 6 base 10. Okay, so now what is the first step? You need to check whether the given numbers are in the binary form or not. So if you just observe, it is not in the binary form. So what I need to do, I need to convert it to binary form. So 14 in binary is nothing but 1110 base 2 minus 6. 6 is nothing but 110 base 2. Okay, so now I need to subtract these two using 2's complement method. Okay, so I need to identify which is the minuend and which is the subtrahend. So this is your minuend and this is your subtrahend. And you check whether the number of bits in the minuend and the subtrahend are same or not. So if you just observe here I have 4 bits and here I just have 3 bits. So what I need to do, I need to append a 0 here, so that both the number of bits in the minuend and the subtrahend will be same. Now what I need to do here, since it is 2's complement method, I need to take 2's complement of subtrahend. So how will you get? First, in order to get 2's complement of subtrahend, first I need to get 1's complement, add 1 to it. So it's nothing but 1's complement of subtrahend is nothing but 0 1 1 0. It is nothing but 1 0 0 1, and I need to add a 1 to it. Okay, so 1 plus 1 1 0, 1 I'll write here, 0 I'll write here. 0 plus 1 it is 1 0 1. So this is the 2's complement of subtrahend. 2's complement of subtrahend. Now what I need to do, I need to add the subtrahend to the minuend. What is the next step? Add 2's complement of subtrahend with minuend. So that's nothing but minuend. Minuend is nothing but what is the minuend? We have 1110. 1110. And then this should be added with 2's complement of subtrahend. So what is the 2's complement of subtrahend? This is the 2's complement of subtrahend, 1 0 1 0. Add these two. So 0 plus 0, it's 0. 1 plus 1, 1 0. So 1 I'll write here, 0 I'll write here. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 0, it is 1 0 only. So 1 I'll write here and 0 I'll write here. 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 0 plus 1, 1 1. So 1 I'll write here and 1 I'll write here. So here if you observe, I've got a 1. So this indicates there is a carry. Since I have carry here and it is the 2's complement method, so the final result will be nothing but I need to discard this carry. I should not consider this carry at all, and whatever is left out here, that is my final result. And since I have got a carry as 1, the result will be positive. Okay, so this is nothing but the subtraction of 1110 minus 0110. Okay, 14 minus 0. 14 is nothing but 1110 base 2 minus 6. 6 is nothing but 0110 base 2. So this is the result what I'll get. Okay, this is the result what I'll get. Okay, again verification. Coming to the verification, same as before. So how do you verify? A minus b is equal to c. What will do? They take this minus b to the other side. It will become a is equal to c plus b. Okay, so here I have 1 1 1 0 base 2 minus 0 1 1 0 base 2, that is equal to 1 0 0 0 base 2. Okay, so now what I need to do? I need to take this term to the other side. So 1 1 1 0 base 2 is equal to 1 0 0 0 base 2, and this I'll take to the other side, so it will become plus 0 1 1 0 base 2. Now what I need to do? I need to add these two so that I should get this. If both are same, then whatever result I have obtained here is correct. Okay, so let me add these two. So 1 0 0 0 plus 0 1 1 0. So 0 plus 0, it is 0, 0 plus 1, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1 plus 1, 1. So this is nothing but this one. So these two are same. So that indicates that whatever result I have obtained before, it is the correct. Okay. So we'll just take one more example with the decimal point. Okay, so let me take as 1011.10 base 2 minus 0110 minus 01 base 2. So again I need to use 2's complement method. For subtraction. Okay. So if you just observe, it is in the binary form. So no need to convert once again to binary form because it is already in the binary form. So 0110 minus 01 base 2. Now what I need to do? I need to identify which is a minuend and which is the subtrahend. This is your minuend and this is your subtrahend. Now what I need to do? I need to check whether the given number of bits in the minuend and the subtrahend are same or not. So if you just observe, here I have 4, here also I have 4. Here I have 3, but here I have 2 bits. So what I need to do? I need to append a 0 here. Okay, now what I need to do? I need to take 2's complement of subtrahend. So how will you calculate 2's complement of subtrahend? First you need to take 1's complement of subtrahend and add 1 to it. Okay, so this is nothing but 1's complement of subtrahend is nothing but 1 0 0 1.101. So this is nothing but the 1's complement of subtrahend, and to this we need to add a 1. Okay. To this I need to add a 1. So 1 plus 1, 1 0. 1 I'll write here, 0 I'll write here. 1 plus 0 it is 1. 1 plus 0 it is 1. 1 plus 0 it is 1. 0 plus 0 it is 0. 0 plus 0 it is 0. 1 plus 1, 0 it is 1 only. So this entire thing whatever I have got here, it is nothing but 2's complement of subtrahend. Okay. So now what is the next step? I need to add 2's complement of subtrahend with minuend. So first let me take minuend. Minuend whatever I have got or given is nothing but 1011.101. 1011 1011.101. 101. To this I need to add 2's complement of subtrahend, which is nothing but 1001.110. I need to add these two. So 1 plus 0 it is 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1 it is 1. 1 plus 0 1 0. So 1 I'll write here, 0 I'll write here. 1 plus 1 1 0. 1 0 plus 1 1 1. So 1 I'll write here and this one I'll write here. 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 0 plus 0, 1 0. So 1 will get here and 0 will get here. 1 plus 0 it is 1, 1 plus 0 it is 1. 1 plus 1, 1 0. So 0 I'll write here and I'll write 1 here. So if you just observe, again I have a carry. So this carry indicates that the result is positive. So 0, 1, 0, 1.011 these two is the result when you subtract minuend, which is number 1011.101 these two minus 0110 minus 0110.0. 0 110 0 point 0 point 010 010 base 2. So again verification. Take this term to the other side. Okay, so it is equal to 1011.101 base 2 is equal to 0101.011 base 2. This I will take to the other side, so it will become plus 0110.010 base 2. Now what I need to do, I need to add these two so that this should give me this equation, this value. So if both are same, then my answer whatever I have got is right. 0.010. So 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 1 0, 1 here, 1 0 here. 1 plus 0, it is 1, 1 plus 0 is 1. 1 plus 0, 1, 0 plus 1, 1, 1, 0. So 1 will be here and 0 will be here. 1 plus 0, it is 1, 1 plus 0, it is 1. So whatever value I got here by adding these two numbers, and this one is left hand side, LHS is equal to RHS. Since the LHS is equal to RHS, whatever result I have obtained, it is correct.